Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at RDNT, Radiant. It's a coin that we took a long position with previously, went into the red, got all of our average fills in, and we're exactly at break even now. So if you're watching this, consider closing if you just want to secure profit or no profit at all, ensure you don't lose anything rather. Feel free to do that. I personally think we're in decent shape. I'll explain why here in a minute. But again, just be on the safe side, folks. It's always helpful to secure profit whenever possible or to ensure that you don't lose anything by adjusting your stop loss higher. So it's always been the recommendation and it'll always continue. But either way you're looking at it here, we got some pretty good volume coming up to this most recent resistance at 0.236, and the price continued further up here to this current resistance level. Again, exact break even for us at 1807. Okay, so again, just some friendly advice. You want to secure the trade, go ahead and close it out now just to be done with it. This is really our only trade that we had in the red today, minus our other four that are in profit. These are my day trades, but Chainlink, Ethereum, small stop loss from Matic, but replaced with Litecoin, XRP, Solana, Litecoin, ADA, Litecoin, ETH. Okay, 90% success today on our day trades. And of course, here's a swing trade. It's talking about near protocol, 40%, ICP 36. BSV is nice in the profit. I think ADA is just above break even. So again, good stuff, folks. Thanks again for being patient and not bailing out. Honestly, that's the best way to go in most cases. You let the TA do the work for you, right? It's okay. That's why we structure our trades a little bit looser than the average community, mainly because we like to make sure that we secure profits when we can without getting too high on leverage, because high leverage is just it's a nowhere road, folks. Okay, so RDNT, let's take a look here. To clarify, the bottom appears to be, and if we take a look at the volume here, we're starting to see the volume pick up from this weekend. That's pretty standard, of course, but generally speaking, we look at the volume profile here, we can see the most amount of volume that we have is right there at or just below the current price action. Not to say we don't have any resistance above us. We got this 0.5 fib level at about 19 cents as a potential resistance. That was already a resistance when we took the trade, but again, we had that little breakout and the price pulled back immediately as soon as we took the trade. So that does happen sometimes. But we survived, folks, and we are looking good here. We can see Stochastic and MACD starting to converge here. Absolutely good stuff. Good momentum. However, we're underneath 50 in the RSI, so we got to recognize it's not a perfect situation. Let's actually double check the moving averages. I think we're still below most, which we are. This trend line is running concurrent with a descending trend, of course, which is the 20-day SMA. So keep that in mind until we get over the 20-day SMA. I don't think we're quite, as you'd say, out of the woods yet. Speaking of out of the woods, I thought this is kind of funny. We're joking about being out of the woods here with Bitcoin. Short answer is yes, but we still got a couple of things that need to happen first before we get too ahead of ourselves. By the way, all that stuff is helpful because trading altcoins, it's important to recognize where Bitcoin is at. Also important, if you take a look at this, a large amount of volume, this effective double bottom is working out very strong, okay? So again, it's ugly, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, but it is doubling down, to say the least here. So in the last, this was Sunday, this was the first mess. Price recovered, comes down, once again, for double bottom there. A lot of coins are exuding the same behavior. I'm bringing that to your attention because if you look at this volume candle here, we see so much volume coming into this coin right now. The likelihood of it sustaining its price action going higher is greater than it pulling back. Keep in mind, it's still due to pull back because it's very normal for a resistance level to hold its place until it is retested again. Okay, so we very well could see the beginning of a cup and handle pattern here, where the price works itself into a descending channel and then breaks out. Okay, so that could be the case too. So if you're worried about that, once again, close out your trade right now. It's perfectly fine, I get it. There's nothing wrong with securing profit on 4 out of 5 trades and breaking even on the last one. That's actually quite good when you think about it, considering all the crap that the market has thrown us in the last few days, right? Okay, anyways, that's a 4-hour time frame there. If we look at some other indicators where we're 50 on the RSI, bullish, stochastic swinging up, bullish, money flow index right there behind the price action, that's average, it's normal, neutral, and then of course we can see MACD converging here. So every reason why you do not want to try to consider shorting this coin right now. Again, it looks like it's shifting its momentum. Has it officially? No. The truth is we still haven't broken through this most recent high at, again, just say 18 cents even or 18.07. Last but not least, looking at the cloud, we're over the cloud. It's consolidating right here, just lower 0.236 fib level at 17.7. So the price doesn't end up pulling back. We could just see a little bounce off that guy there. But the truth is, if you're going to consider a long position, you're not currently in the trade that we're in right now, you may want to consider waiting until we get full confirmation, which would come a little bit later here, where the price action's still remaining above this descending trend line, preferably above this trend line here too, this horizontal trend / resistance level turn support. So this is what a perfect world would look like. Price comes up here, does one of these, and continues further up. That's ultimately what we're looking for. It would make more sense, honestly, for this to kind of do one of these, but we'll see. Beggars can't be choosers, right? All right, folks, that's kind of what we got there. Thanks again for watching. Do me a favor, like the video, comment below. Absolutely appreciate it. Deeply appreciate all the support from my community and whomever else wants to watch and continue to learn. Love that. If you want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is a site link down below. Trade awesome, amazing coins on BitUnix. This is a recommended exchange for our community because they take very good care of us. No KYC VPN required. $5,500 in benefit rewards to use my link to register it. More importantly, they have like trailing stop losses and a lot of good features that just keep you on top of the game with low fees too. So it's cool stuff. Check them out. Link down below. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.